Alright, so I'm back. So, yeah. So FS25 Season 14 episodes will be coming out on Wednesday of this week. So, yeah. So I'll have to just wait and see on how so yeah. So FS25 Season 14 so yeah, but otherwise, other than that, yeah. So, yeah, so like I said, episode 34 of FS25 Season 14 is going to have to get remade. Now, obviously, the new episode 34 will not be right with episode 33. So, episode 33 and episode 34 are going to be like a time jump. So, yeah, so I'm hoping and praying that this time switch between the between whatever is between how this is going to go and how things may or may not go. So otherwise, other than that, so yeah, it's gonna but otherwise, concert stuff. Now, obviously, shit for the concert. We are still trying to get a hold of all of that. Because right now, like I told you guys in the vlog today, that the concert is set, but we don't know on what it's going to do on June 6th, because June 6th is the day of the concert. And to be quite honest with you guys, and to be really, really realistically honest with you guys, I am absolutely freaking terrified of what might happen at that concert and what could end up going down at that concert that will make things 10 times worse than what it should be. But So yeah, it'll be so I have to just hope and pray for the best. I'm not, but otherwise, the summer 2026 concert, with it only being 48 days away, but we are gonna so we're gonna have to just hold on to some hope, and we're gonna need a lot of prayers in order to make this freaking concert damn well work. So yeah. Because to be honest, with the concert being on June 6th, few people can't make it, but a few can yet. Well, I can't necessarily say a few because I've already lost like maybe 5 off the invites list, but losing like 5 off the invites list is not bad. It ain't good, but it's not bad either. We'll still probably have a decent crowd on that day. But that's just how life is going to end up being for quite a while. So we'll have to just But anyway, so obviously day before the concert, which is June 5th, I'm going to have a lot of stuff to do and a lot of stuff going down on that day. Because yeah. But on June 5th, which is now the day before the concert, because now the concert being on June 6th, a lot of stuff has to be done on June 5th that normally I would get done, normally would get done on June 19th, which now is not happening. But everything that I was planning on doing on June 19th, now it's get moved to the 5th because the concert got moved from the 20th to the 6th. So, yeah, the only day I can't wait for is the last day of school, because the last day of school is May 27th, and after May 27th, I still have maybe one more graduation in the month of May that I'd have to get to. But, yeah, so technically, from the rest of this month into the next month, we are, yeah, there's a lot that's going to be going on. So, anyway, so, yeah. So obviously, if we start field work on on Wednesday, April 22nd, yeah. We'll be getting into that then. We will be into not just cultivating, but planting, and not just planting, but also spraying. And that's about the worst time for me to have to deal with the concert, which would be on a Saturday, and then was just, how things are gonna go, because yeah, so yeah, when I say that everything has to get done on the 5th, that means my second to last and my last concert practice. I have to get the gator vacuumed out. Then I have to get all the gross mud, well, not the gross mud, but the, let's see, what was it, the, so, anyway, so with that being said, then after I get all the mud off or all the dry dirt off the gator and everything like that, spray it off, put it in the sunniest spot in the yard, and then so we'll have to just come on. So yeah, but yeah, there's just so much that'll get done on the 5th, and then that it's going to be almost not even remotely close to being funny. So, yeah. So we'll just see. We'll just have to wait and see what happens, because obviously June 6th is still a long ways away yet. It's only 48 days away. And we still have a lot of stuff, and we still have a lot of school left to go. So we still have all the rest of this month. Then we have the whole entire graduation month of May to actually get Whoops. And I bumped you guys, so I knocked you guys over. But anyway, yeah. So, yeah. So I was originally going to go hang out with my cousin tonight, but he's gone in Kansas City. And he's at some sort of bachelorette party. So I can't hang out with him tonight, but I will be able to hang out with him tomorrow and see how shit goes from there. So, yeah. But otherwise, yeah, but that wind is absolutely atrocious outside right now. And to me, I just hate it. I hate how bad this wind is because it's so terrible outside that it's just not even remotely close to being, that's just not even remotely close to being fantastic. So yeah. But otherwise, other than that, so yeah, I just got to last. Yeah, so I just ran out of corn. So, yeah. But otherwise, I really don't know what to really say at this point because, yeah, it's just a mess, you guys, all the way around. But otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one.